Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina and today we will paint the black-eyed Susans. For the painting I take the flat brush number 14, load up one edge of the brush with the yellow color and the other edge with the dark red color. Blend these colors on the palette. Let's paint the flower. We will paint the petals here. The first, stand back a little, the next one, save the dark place between the petals, here we painted the first flower, can add a little bit white. And we will paint here the second one. And the last flower. We will paint the half of the flower. Here. Now we need the light blue color and the green color. Load up one edge of the brush with the green color and other edge with the light blue color on the same brush. Blend these colors on the palette and we will paint the leaves. Let's paint here. Here. And now let's paint the darker leaves. We will take the dark blue color and the green color. Load up the green color on the one edge of the brush and the dark blue color on the other edge. And blend these colors on the palette. Like this. And we will paint the leaves, for example, here. Maybe add a little bit blue color, light blue color. Let's take the round brush number 2, load up the yellow color on the brush. We will paint some petals like this between the big petals. Here, maybe here. Save the dark space between the petals. And we will outline the big petal. Like this. Take a little bit blue color. Take the transparent brush, load up, it should be dry, load up 1/2 of the brush with the necklace yellow color, like this, and other edge with the black color. We will make the center of the flowers. Let's paint the center. And here. Now let's add the black color on the brush and make some dots. So now we need the same brush. We'll paint the vase. We need the brown color. Save the black space. Now we can take the raw sienna and paint the dots here. Let's take the necklace yellow color and make the light dots and a little bit white in the center, in the upper part here. Let's take the raw sienna and we will paint the vase I take the small brush number 2. Let's outline our vase and the flowers, and we make some strokes like this in the shadows. I take a little bit raw sienna and the Naples yellow color, blend these colors on the palette, mix these colors on the palette. And I will paint some strokes like this.